I'm going to very quickly walk you through using the Slob proof paint touch-up pens for touching up any areas that you might need to. Here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and do it. So you're going to open up your touch-up paint pens. Each pack comes with 5, maybe 6 pens. And the first thing you're going to do is get out your syringe. You're going to fill it up with the paint color of your choice, whatever color it is you're trying to match. And 1 full syringe does fill 1 pen. So this is enough to get you through whatever you're working on. And once you have your syringe filled up, you're going to go ahead and fill up the pen. And then this next part is just a little tricky. You have to put your little paintbrush top on. It does kind of jam up a bit. I was using my countertop, just kind of really make sure that it was in there tight and secure. And once it is, you're just going to go ahead and crank it to take a bit of cranking to get that paint up at the top. But once it was there and I needed to recrank, it just quickly came out. So as soon as you see it at your paint, just like that, you can go ahead and use it as a little paintbrush. It works really well for touching up any areas you need. I hope you found this helpful. I will go ahead and drop the link in the description for anybody who would like to try them out.